Secrets are slowly coming to light, hidden motives are being exposed, and a dangerous game is about to change everything. As seen in the latest promo, Samir makes a heartfelt promise to Rimjim. He assures her that he will do whatever it takes to uncover the truth and expose the real kidnapper. Determined to bring justice to everyone who has suffered, Samir refuses to back down. Together, Samir and Rimjim come up with a clever plan. They believe that the real culprit will eventually reveal themselves if the right opportunity is created. That opportunity comes in the form of a wedding. The two decide that the marriage ceremony must go ahead exactly as planned. Their reasoning is simple: if the kidnapper has any connection to the ongoing events, they will not be able to stay away from such an important occasion. The wedding becomes more than just a celebration, it becomes a trap. To make the plan successful, Samir prepares himself to play a dangerous role. While everyone believes the wedding preparations are genuine, Samir has a hidden agenda. He is determined to use the ceremony to expose the person responsible for all the chaos and suffering. But before the wedding can take place, an unexpected storm arrives. Amira suddenly approaches Sugna and asks her to come along. Unaware of what is about to happen, Sugna follows her without suspicion. What begins as a normal conversation soon turns into a nightmare. Amira takes Sugna to an isolated location where her true intentions are finally revealed. In a shocking turn of events, Amira ties Sugna up and refuses to let her leave. Sugna is terrified and completely confused. She cannot understand why Amira is behaving in such a cruel and aggressive manner. The situation becomes even more frightening when Amira loses control of her emotions. Consumed by jealousy and obsession, she begins threatening Sugna and makes it clear that she will never allow her to get close to Samir. With anger burning in her eyes, Amira declares that Samir belongs only to her. She insists that no one else has the right to be with him. Her possessive behavior reveals a side of her personality that nobody has ever seen before. Sugna is left speechless. She cannot believe that the woman standing in front of her is the same Amira everyone knows. The jealousy, the obsession, and the hatred pouring out of her words leave Sugna completely stunned. As Amira continues her emotional outburst, Sugna realizes that this situation may be connected to something much bigger. Every passing moment makes her more fearful, and she begins to wonder just how far Amira is willing to go to get what she wants. Meanwhile, Samir notices that something is wrong. Sugna has suddenly disappeared, and her absence immediately raises suspicion. Sensing that trouble is brewing, Samir begins searching for her. As he follows a series of clues, he eventually discovers a shocking sight. Samir finds Sugna being held captive by Amira. For a moment, he is unable to process what he is seeing. Questions begin racing through his mind. Why would Amira do something like this? What is she trying to hide? And most importantly, what role does she play in the mystery that has haunted them for so long? Then a disturbing thought strikes him. Could Amira be the real kidnapper? The possibility seems unbelievable, yet the evidence before him is impossible to ignore. Her strange behavior, her obsession with Samir, and her desperate attempts to stop the wedding suddenly start fitting together like pieces of a puzzle. If Samir's suspicions are correct, then the truth could be far more dangerous than anyone imagined. The entire story may be about to change. Now the biggest question remains unanswered. Will Samir finally expose Amira's dark secret? Will Sugna be rescued before it's too late? Is Amira truly the mastermind behind everything, or is there an even bigger player hiding in the shadows? And what will happen to the wedding that was supposed to bring the truth into the open? The upcoming episodes promise intense drama, emotional confrontations, shocking revelations, and unexpected twists that will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. As Samir moves closer to the truth, the danger around him continues to grow. Every secret has a price, and every lie is on the verge of being exposed. One thing is certain, nothing will ever be the same again. Stay tuned as the mystery deepens, relationships are tested, and the battle between love, obsession, and truth reaches a dramatic turning point.